What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it today. We ended up having a great day in the Discord today. I ended up going 4 for 4, 100% win rate. I'm going to show you exactly what plays I took today as well as a game plan for tomorrow. Before we get into today's video, holiday special, guys. $49.99 for the month, $2.99 for the year. If you'd like to take advantage of it, link is in the bio. And just before we get into today's video, guys, we got big news dropping this weekend. We are dropping a class, a 6-week class that is going to show people who have never traded before or very new at trading, start to finish, how to read charts, how to read candles, price action, certain setups, key levels, how to make key levels, everything. That will be released this weekend, guys. Make sure you pay attention to that, as well as podcast episode number 3 is being released. I'm excited for you guys to see. Anyways, enough for that. Let's get into today's video. So first things first, guys. We made a certain key levels this morning in the pre-market, and 472 was the level I was watching. First things first, guys. First play of the day. Of course, we hit puts at our key level. The previous resistance in the pre-market. We broke through this key level yesterday without retesting it. This was a major level. We ended up making a resistance in the pre-market. We came back up to it. We hit the puts and we banked. This play actually worked 5 times straight on this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle. It went crazy. So the first things first, I ended up hitting puts. First play, 472, I banked. Second play, we had a shooting star candle at the same level again. We ended up hitting puts for the third time. We actually hit this candle too, but the third play, the shooting star at 472, guys. And this is why we were able to make 4 figures on the day. Next trade we ended up taking was calls at 470.33 or 470.73. Dimitri, myself, and the Discord, we ended up hitting plays right here, calls right here, and we banked again. The fourth trade I didn't take, but a majority of the Discord took. This was one of Gundy's plays, guys, and look at the freaking candle, man. Like, what the moderators are calling out and what we are foreseeing in the future before it happens is next to none. Like, I don't even know how these guys are hitting these trades, man. Like, what we have right now, guys, is unbelievable. But those are the trades we ended up taking on the day. The Discord killed it. Everyone I know was killing it. We had over 90% of the Discord was green on the day today. We had obviously we have a couple red. That's inevitable, especially with new traders oversizing, over leveraging, over trading. That just happens. But 90% of our Discord was green today, which was phenomenal. And I ended up walking away. That was it. That was all I had to do for the day today. Now let's go over today's price action. We ended up breaking through the previous floor that we had at 470.73, the first place that we ended up buying calls at. You see this floor developing? Whoever hit calls here was free money. Literally right here, free money. We ended up breaking through the floor. We came back up to retest. This is where I hit puts again. I ended up hitting one more put. It was only for a couple $100. It was nothing big. But 470.73, we got the first reaction. The previous support turned into a resistance. We come back up, and then we hit the puts here. Look what it bounced, and then we ended up hitting. I didn't hit, but what we ended up doing is making the previous support turned into a resistance. We made it support again, and we had a big run. We were calling this in the Discord. This is running straight to 473. It was inevitable. SPY was so strong, and I knew this was going. I didn't bother shorting, even though this is a massive overreaction play. I knew SPY was going to 473. It just made sense. This is a key level that we broke through yesterday, a big key level, our sell zone, our short zone. We broke through it without retesting. What did we do? We came right back up to retest the previous support and the previous resistance, and now we have a little bit of a sell-off happening, and that's just what comes from playing with key levels, guys. So anyways, we ended up crushing it today. I'm super proud of the Discord, super proud of the moderators. Moving forward, one of my good friends and partners and mentors in the Discord, Dimitri, we are having a conversation. I was asking him how does he foresee SPY moving forward, and he made a great reference. He was telling me the 401ks, okay? The 401ks right now, if the market was to close, it would be the first red ever or in recent years, okay? I'm from Canada. I don't know much about that. I'm just giving you a summary of what he was telling me. So, how I'm seeing this is the 401ks, they're going to try to push this to around 480 to make it a net neutral or just a little bit of green for the 401ks. That is the bullish and bearish case. They are both end up being bearish. So I'm going to tell you exactly right now. The 401ks, if they go red this year, people are going to get scared and people are not going to trust it anymore. If they bought within the last year and a half, they have been buying and they saw in the mid fours and they saw 350s. $350 on SPY. Once they come back up, break even, a little green, I see a lot of people seeing the market being uncertain and start pulling their money, which is going to put heavy pressure on the downside. That is when we are at those levels. For right now, I see a very, very bullish case scenario of 480. That's just what I'm seeing. I'm not playing. I'm not buying calls. I'm still sniping the hell out of this. I'm still getting puts at every level we keep breaking because each level we go, it could be the top. But keep that in mind. There is a chance that we do make new highs for the 401ks. It just makes sense. The government does not want to have a net negative year. It doesn't look good for the country, for the economy, for investing in general. That's why I firmly believe that we can see new highs within the next 2 weeks. That is my game plan. I am somewhat bullish. If you do see the chart, every big sell-off, guys, we just retrace. Big sell-off, we're just retracing. So I strongly believe we are so close. A lot of stocks, a lot of other companies, guys, ETFs, they're making new highs. SPY came this high for a reason. I truly believe that we are close to seeing new highs. Am I bearish? Of course. I know this is going to happen in one day too. It's going to be the day you least expect it, and it's going to start ripping. So just be prepared to buy the best levels at the best prices, and that's what I'm here to tell you guys. Moving forward. So you already know my short-term thesis. I'm short, I'm bullish, and then I'm short at the same time. I do believe that it's very possible to go to the 480s and higher. Also, we are at great levels for shorts. So each level that we are going to, I'm going to make sure I am prepared with safe contracts, not to over leverage myself, and make sure I am buying key levels. So moving forward, what am I looking at? Come on. Look at the chart, guys. Look at my chart. My chart tells stories. This is why I am a successful, profitable trader, because of my key levels. Look what happened as soon as we made 472 support. It was a no-brainer. It was ripping to 473. So moving forward, guys, our sell target, it's still in play. We have 473 to 473.39. This was the area we previously had, and this is the area I'm going to be looking for puts. Remember, I'm a sniper. I size heavy. I buy the move at the best spot, and I sell the move. I don't wait for a market crash. I'm hitting enough contracts, enough futures to be able to get out in the same 5-minute, 10-minute candle. That's all I'm doing, okay? So this is our first area. Upwards is going to be the previous support and resistance over the last few days at 474. So make 474 a massive line on your chart, and then make this little sell area. 473 to 473.38. This is the also level I'm watching. This is a level, this big level right here is where bulls can get trapped, and it very well is possible it could happen. So this is levels I'm going to be playing to the upside. My max level I'm playing tomorrow is 475. We break 475, I ain't touching it. So 473 to 475, that $2 range. To the downside, 472, as I said. After that is going to be 470.73. Look at the bounce that we had today. Look at the rejection, what we had. So 470.73, and our big key level, which is still a key level, guys, a big buy zone, 470 and 469. I will be live tomorrow. Our pre-market, guys, 9 a.m. Eastern time every single day, Monday to Friday. 30 minutes before market open, I will give you my technical analysis, and I will give you the game plan for the day. It's absolutely free. on YouTube, guys. Just click my channel at 9 a.m. Eastern time, and I will be there, and I'll give you guys the absolute rundown for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. It means so much to me. The amount of support that we're getting, the amount of our subscribers are growing at an immense rate right now. I'm so honored to have you guys and to be able to make content for you guys. So again, if there's anything I could do better, please write in the comments. Anything that you guys see me doing wrong or should improve on or add, please, guys. I would love to hear your opinions because I take that to heart and I will make improvements on it. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all your support, guys. Podcast episode 3 is dropping on Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you see that, guys, and I'll see everyone tomorrow at the pre-market and market open. Take care, everyone.